Today in art, we're working on the Minnesota benchmarks of I can explore ideas by looking at artwork, I can talk about my personal likes and dislikes, and I can create original art that communicates. Well, here in Minnesota, we have four very different seasons. We have the season of spring, where it starts to warm up outside and we see beautiful blossoms, as in this lovely picture from Japan. Or we have the season of summer, which is where it gets really hot and things get really green, as in this awesome collage. We have the season of fall, where it starts to cool off and leaves change colors and eventually fall off the trees. And lastly, the season of winter, where it gets really cold and we get to have fun snow to play in before the four seasons start back over again with spring. Well, today in art, you're going to get to paint trees, and we're going to take a look at some different paintings of trees because there are so many different ways of painting them. This one's by the artist Gustav Klimt. And here's another one by the same artist. It's called Fir Trees. And one by the artist Claude Monet. And one by Piet Mondrian. This is called The Gray Tree. Very unusual looking, but it's cool. Piet Mondrian, ooh, it's getting harder to see the tree. It's right here. Here's the trunk and there are the branches. Here's one by the artist Thomas Moran. This is called Under the Trees. Ooh, wouldn't it be fun to be sitting right here, enjoying the outdoors? And here's another by the artist Paul Cézanne and André Derain. Wow, look at those fun colors. Well, do you know what season we were looking at? You're right, this is fall. What clues did you see that gave it away? Sure, we see trees changing in colors, and we see a lot of trees without leaves. That gives it away. How about which painting of the trees do you like best? How about why? Yes, cool. And all of us have different ideas of what paintings we might like best and why. And that's okay because we're all different people and we all get to have different opinions. And that's what makes this world great is all the different people with all the different ideas and preferences. And that's a good thing. How about which of these are painted abstract? That's where the artist uses their imagination and they get to change colors and lines and shapes. Do you see them? That's right, there are two of them. 1 and 2. Wow, look at those cool colors. And the others are realistic. That's where the artist tries their best to make it look like the real thing. 1, 2, 3. Well, here's another artwork. This one isn't a painting, but it's a photograph by the artist Ansel Adams. If you look in these, where is the thickest line? That's right. It's right here at the base of every tree. We call that the trunk. How about where's the thinnest line? That's right. As you move along the tree goes from thick to medium to very, very thin as we move out here towards the branches. Well, today in art, you're going to be painting a tree, and you're going to get to use those two different brushes, big brushes and little brushes, to paint thick and thin lines. And as you paint yours, you get to decide if you're going to make your tree realistic or abstract with crazy fun colors. So think about which one you'll use.